Introducing the updated Data Portal Machines page, providing a more user-friendly and efficient experience for machine owners and service technicians. The Data Portal Machines page has been updated to offer 3 different viewing options: List, Map, and Split View, to provide a more streamlined experience for machine owners and service technicians. The Split View connects the map and list so that when you zoom in on the map, the list is filtered automatically. And if you set filters on the list, such as by asset type, the map will adjust accordingly. Additionally, a new maintenance filter has been added, allowing you to filter your machines based on their maintenance status. You can also link or unlink the map and list at any time for greater control over your viewing experience. These new features and the various viewing options can greatly improve the maintenance process, resulting in quicker maintenance service, reduced travel expenses, better communication, improved customer satisfaction, and increased machinery reliability. For information about more such updates, visit our website and learn more.